Or Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Tang Hapoh Bnai kila dan hado Hapoh Hajar Ngut ki Mynder ki belayo ban Rung tu Manipur kata nado unok pra jong snam Hajar sao hado mentau naila Hajar san. Yang ini la pentip do Director General ke Assam Rifle u Lieutenant General Vikash Lakhera. Baru lo ong bagi ki Mynder ki wan Rung tu na Myanmar bat menta ki sipai ki danglum ya ki biometric jong ki. Menteri Rang Ba Barem jangka Manipur UN Biren Singh ulayaro ikisipai ke Assam Rifle ki brasim khia banlum jing Kenya ke jingdon ki Mynder baru loong baka jingrung kerthap ki Mynder ha Manipur kadai ke jing shisha berhadu mentaru kadang beteng Lieutenant General Lakhera ulaong baka free movement regime kadai ke sinjam ke baka sarkar India kala shim ban lap ya ki Mynder ki bon rung tu ha ke negeri ulaong badan kam ke jingrap jang ki patba ban pentep ladadon ki riu phla ki bon rung ha ki snong ki thau jong ki khnang bak sipai kin le ke badan kam.
FMR was the new FMR. It is a Government of India initiative, which no government has ever done. Now, we want to formalize how many people are coming. From 31st December, we have mapped 42,000 people coming from across here. And biometrics have been taken. The biometrics have been shared with all the agencies. The Aadhaar card, the UDI, the ID, everything. Now we have some library. And in doing so, when the fence work comes, where we are the net security providers against all the challenges, and also now that the state of Mizoram also have by and large agreed to construction of fence.